If you are wondering if it is possible to use 3 buttons navigation on iPhone 17e just like you can do that on Android smartphones, then the answer is no. Unfortunately, it is not possible to do so. However, there is one alternative that is somewhat close to 3 buttons navigation, which you can consider using. So if we open settings and then proceed to accessibility, then over here we should be able to find the touch option. And then in touch we can find the assistive touch. So we're gonna go over here and we can turn it on quite easily. Now this circle, this button allows you to activate this menu, and over here you can quickly jump to the home screen. You can open the control center, open the notification center, and so on and so forth. You can actually customize this panel over here. If you go to the customize top level menu, then over here you should be able to decide how many icons you want to be able to use. You can of course add more icons. You can tap on the currently selected options, and as you can see here we have all of these system options that we can use. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different tools, like for example even the restart option is available in here, which usually is not accessible, but you can customize it and adjust it to your needs, and then you can use that instead of just using gestures or arrows if you manage to find them. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.